Hey, Sean, are you busy?
No, just watching an educational show about trees and plants.
Okay, I was doing some thinking on the way home after class regarding our forest products movie assignment.
How about biofuels or forest adhesives? People gather the resin of pine trees and use it in many ways. We've even classified resin into 3 categories: hard resins, oleoresins, and gum resins. And rosin, the most important of the hard resins, it's used in paint, varnishes, and even in soap making.
Would you rather do it on forestry products like musical instruments? My guitar is made of Sitka spruce and sapple.
I don't know.
What do you mean, I don't know? Anyways, how about forestry drones? We could fly my GoPro Karma drone over some trees at school and identify them from the air. I was just watching some YouTube videos the other day showing how they could use drones like timber cruising to measure the forest, automatically calculating wood quantity. We could explain how this is a future job in forestry. They also use drones to identify diseases, invasive species, and pathogens. Okay, well, think about it over the weekend. I'll see you at school.
I don't know.
Hello everyone, my name is Dean, and this is our Forest Products video presentation.
And I'm Sean. We chose to do our video presentation on forestry drones.
We are Forestry Technicians, and we're talking about forest inventory drones.
No, crap.
Hope it's not stuck in a tree.
Yeah, then we have to rely on the arboriculture students to get it for us. And we saw how long it took for them to climb a tree.
Yeah, but they're just in their first year. They'll get quicker at it, just like us with the tree ID. Well, let's go find the drone.
We should have just done biofuels.
Why are you so hard to get along with, Sean?
What'd you trip me for, jerk?
I didn't trip you. I think you tripped on a branch or stump or something under the snow.
Ow.
What? Oh no. Here, use this Kleenex and I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
Adhesives are made from lignin of trees. They can make tape more eco-friendly. But for today, I'll use some sap since it'll stop the bleeding, hold your skin in place, and stop it from getting infected. Just stay here. I'll be right back in 5 minutes.
I don't see any sticks or stumps around. Not even a single rock.
Well, don't worry about that right now. Just give me your hand. There, that'll stop the bleeding until we get back to school. Now let's go get my drone. Hey, it looks okay.
No, look at the harness that holds the camera. It's broken. The same with the propeller.
Oh yeah, crap. Okay, I need some more adhesive. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I heard that before.
Seriously. Okay, looks good. Let's try it. Hold the drone, and I'll try to move the harness direction. Oh no, I think we need some more white pine sap.
Why?
We are Forestry Technicians, and we just talked about forest adhesives.